is Gauri. I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing the procedure that is followed by the Law Commission to carry out its functioning. Firstly, for an issue to be researched, it must be first raised in a meeting which is held at the Law Commission office. A detailed discussion is held on the issue raised. Second, once the issue is selected after the discussion, it is given to the members of the research panel as per their experience and requirements on the research issue. The distributive method is used to check the consensus of the staff of the Law Commission. After the positive response in the consensus, an outline of the issue is formed, which comprises the main issue and the remedies that can be used to combat it. This outline is then sent to the other authorities, departments and institutions to know their point of view. At this stage, suggestions are invited by the concerned authorities. This step ensures that the Law Commission of India covers the widest possible section of society within its ambit. Once all the recommendations by the general public as well as the legal community have been received, an in-depth analysis is done. After this, an introduction is prepared for the report in an organized manner. This introduction was written by the chairman of the commission. The introduction can also be written by either the member secretary or any other member of the commission as a part of the delegated authority by the chairman. Later on, the introduction is scrutinized in the meetings by the commission. After the report is finalized, the procedure for the draft is initiated along with the report. A draft of the suggested bill or amendment is fixed. Once the draft is made by the legal team of the commission, it is attached to the report and sent to the central government. And that is how their laws come into force. And that brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.